Electrical work is a fundamental aspect of any construction project. It's not just about illuminating spaces, it's about bringing a building to life. From the moment construction begins to the day the building is occupied, electricity plays a vital role. A well-designed and installed electrical system ensures safety, functionality, and comfort for occupants. We can categorize electrical work into two main types, external and internal. External electrical work focuses on bringing power to the building and ensuring its safe distribution. Think of it as the backbone of the electrical system. Internal electrical work, on the other hand, is about distributing that power within the building to power lights, appliances, and various systems. Electrical work is a specialized field. It demands a high level of expertise and adherence to safety regulations. Improper electrical installations can lead to hazards such as electrical shocks, fires, and equipment damage. That's why it's crucial to engage qualified and licensed electricians throughout the construction process. External electrical work encompasses all the electrical components and systems located outside the building's perimeter. This includes the infrastructure responsible for bringing power from the utility company to the building and distributing it safely. One crucial aspect of external electrical work is high voltage and low voltage power distribution. High voltage power lines from the grid are connected to transformers. These transformers step down the voltage to a safer, usable level for the building. Low voltage cables then carry this power to the building's main electrical panel. External electrical work also involves installing outdoor lighting systems. Streetlights, pathway lighting, and parking lot lighting not only illuminate the surroundings but also enhance safety and security. Once power enters the building, internal electrical work takes over. This involves a network of wires, cables, and components that distribute electricity throughout the structure. It's about bringing power to every corner of the building, from light switches to sophisticated HVAC systems. A key element of internal electrical work is the electrical wiring and distribution system. This system includes various types of wiring methods, such as concealed wiring within walls and ceilings, and surface wiring using conduits. Distribution boards, often located in electrical rooms, house circuit breakers that protect circuits from overloads and short circuits. Lighting and power points are essential components of internal electrical work. LED lighting fixtures are increasingly popular due to their energy efficiency and longevity. Switchboards, strategically placed throughout the building, provide convenient control over lighting circuits. Lighting is a crucial aspect of both external and internal electrical work. It's not just about illuminating spaces, it's about creating ambiance, enhancing safety, and improving the functionality of different areas. External lighting systems encompass a variety of fixtures, each serving a specific purpose. Streetlights, often mounted on tall poles, provide general illumination for roads and sidewalks. Pathway lighting, as the name suggests, illuminates walkways and pathways, guiding pedestrians and enhancing safety during nighttime hours. Internal lighting design focuses on creating comfortable and functional spaces. Different areas within a building require different types of lighting. For example, offices need bright, even illumination to reduce eye strain, while restaurants might opt for softer, more atmospheric lighting. In today's world, reliable power supply is critical. Power outages can disrupt operations, lead to data loss, and even pose safety risks. That's why backup power systems are essential components of modern electrical installations. The heart of a building's electrical system is the main electrical panel. This panel houses circuit breakers that control the flow of electricity to different circuits. It's the central hub where power enters the building and is distributed to various areas. Backup power systems provide an alternative power source in case the main power supply fails. Generators, often fueled by diesel or natural gas, can power essential equipment and systems during outages. Uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, systems provide instant backup power, preventing data loss and ensuring the continued operation of critical devices. Safety is paramount in electrical work. Earthing, also known as grounding, and lightning protection are crucial aspects of both external and internal electrical installations. These systems protect against electrical shocks and damage from lightning strikes. Earthing involves connecting all electrical equipment and systems to the earth via a low-resistance path. This path directs any fault currents safely into the ground, preventing electrical shocks to individuals and minimizing the risk of fire. Lightning protection systems safeguard structures from lightning strikes, which can cause significant damage and even start fires. Lightning rods, installed at the highest points of a building, attract lightning strikes and safely channel the electrical current to the ground through dedicated conductors. In today's digital age, electrical work extends beyond power distribution and lighting. It also encompasses the installation of data and communication lines, which are essential for businesses and modern living. Structured cabling systems provide a backbone for data networks, telephone lines, and other communication systems within a building. These systems use standardized cables and connectors to ensure reliable and efficient data transmission. Server rooms, the heart of a company's IT infrastructure, require specialized electrical installations. These rooms house servers, network equipment, and other critical IT components. They need dedicated power circuits, backup power systems, and robust cooling systems to ensure optimal performance and prevent downtime. Different areas within a building have unique electrical requirements. Kitchens, bathrooms, medical facilities, and industrial spaces all demand specialized electrical installations to meet their specific needs. Kitchens require ample power outlets to accommodate various appliances. Ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI outlets are essential in kitchens and bathrooms to protect against electrical shocks in damp environments. These outlets constantly monitor the flow of electricity and quickly trip the circuit if an imbalance is detected. Medical facilities have stringent electrical requirements to ensure patient safety and the proper functioning of life-saving equipment. Isolated power systems, for example, protect against electrical shocks in operating rooms. Electrical work is an investment in the safety, functionality, and longevity of a building. By prioritizing quality installations and adhering to electrical codes and standards, we create buildings that are not only safe but also adaptable to future needs. Compliance with electrical codes and standards is non-negotiable. These codes, often updated to reflect technological advancements and best practices, ensure that electrical installations meet safety and performance benchmarks. As technology evolves and our reliance on electricity grows, the field of electrical work will continue to evolve. Smart buildings, energy efficiency, and renewable energy sources are driving innovation in the industry, leading to more sophisticated and sustainable electrical systems.